How to change your birthday on Snapchat. Hey guys, today in this video we'll be talking about how you can change your birthday on Snapchat. So guys, if you have entered the wrong date and birthday date, and if you want to find out if your friends know about your birthday or not, yeah, you can change your birthday on your Snapchat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go into my profile here. You can see right here. From here I'm just gonna go into the setting area. From here I'm just gonna go into this birthday, or you can see on the third line it is written birthday. So I have typed in 13 August 1942. So yeah, from here you have to just click on the date here, and yeah, you can change it to whatever you want. So yeah, this is, so I keep it like 13 October 1986. So yeah, and also for those who think like the Snapchat will reveal your birthday, no guys, the Snapchat won't reveal your birthday. Yeah, and also you can off this from here too. So yeah guys, this is how you can change your birthday on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope this answered your question. Yeah, and if it did, you know what to do. You have to just like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you can get update on other videos that we post daily. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.